first tell me what is the meaning of equivalent? Last time I told you. What is the meaning of equivalent? Harshika, just tell me what is the meaning of equivalent.
Equivalent means fractions that represent same portion of whole are called equivalent fractions.
Okay, you are telling the definition what I showed you. The simple meaning what you understand equivalent.
Equivalent means something that has two fractions which has same value.
Okay. See, last time what example I gave you? Last time?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. So just remember the concept of pizza. Okay. If you have a medium sized pizza, okay, and you have a two brother, suppose you and your brother are there, okay, and you have medium sized pizza. You have divided into how many parts?
Two parts.
Okay, simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Jacket लेके जाओ, ठीक है? जाओ. Okay. So simple is that. Okay. Again, again you have a medium size, same pizza, medium size pizza. Okay. Now your brother is also there. You and your brother's two friends are also there. The total number of friends, how many numbers of people are there? 4.
4 people.
Okay. Agar same medium size pizza divided into how many parts? Same medium size of pizza?
4 parts.
Risha, ye leke jao, jacket leke jao. 4 parts. Okay. This one. 4 parts. Okay. And again, next time, again, your friends and your friends come. Okay. Now 8 members are there. A same medium size of pizza. How many pieces you will do? 8 members are there and medium size pizza is there.
Yes, me, my brother's 2 friends, and those friends 2 friends.
Yes, the total number of 8 people are there. And again, you have a same medium size pizza. So how many part will you do?
8.
8. Son, so in this case, when you are 2 friends, even if you and your brother, the medium size pizza, they're medium only. When you have 4 friends, 4 member of people, again medium size pizza is there. Again same medium, but divided into 4 parts. Again there are 8 members of people are there. Again you divided the same medium size pizza into 8 size. This is the equivalent. The size of pizza is same, but you divide it into different parts. Correct? So yes, equivalent means the same. Same, nothing more than that. Equivalent is equal. Same. Huh? Jacket leke jao.
Ma'am, I want to know how to make these equivalent fractions.
To make equivalent fraction, you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. This is a simple rule you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are doing the equivalent by equivalent any number, you have to multiply or divide. Always remember, when in the smaller number you are multiplying, when in the larger number you are dividing. Okay, dividing means you are getting the smaller number, and multiplying means you are getting a larger number. Okay, but in this case you have to multiply the same number, numerator and denominator. Both the numbers have to divide by the same number. Okay, just keep in mind this thing.
So only can we multiply? Should we only multiply to get the equivalent fractions, or can we also divide to get the equivalent fractions?
Yes, yes. When you have the larger number of 4 numbers as there, suppose 9 by 27, if you multiply this by same number, you will get the more larger number. Then it will be difficult for you also. Na? In that case, you have to divide. Divide with the same number. Okay? There. We can make equivalent fraction by multiply. Just look at this line. Can you see? We can make equivalent fraction by multiplying or dividing numerator and denominator by the same number. Just keep in mind the same number, multiplying or dividing with the same number. Okay? Likewise.
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt in a problem sum. It is 11 by 121. So okay, if I multiply with any number, like if I divide it with any number, like 2 by 2, I can divide it with any number, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3.
You have to divide as a certain number that can divide, divisible. If 11 is divisible by 3, no. Is it possible? Can you divide 11 by 3? No. Is it possible to divide by 4? No. 11 can be divided by 11 by itself or 1. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Because
that
it's
case,
a
you
prime
have
number.
to, whenever you're dividing, you have to just look at both the number can cut with the same number. So stop. Suppose you are saying, what is your number? 11 by 21. 121, correct? Harshika, correct? 11 by 121, correct?
Yes, ma'am. 11 by 121.
Yes. Which in which table 11 and 121 comes? Just
11 and 121 come in the 11th table. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can we multiply this 11 by 121 into 11 by 11? Is that possible? Will we get equivalent fraction?
No. Just look at it. If you have to multiply, you can multiply with this any number. Harshika, you can multiply. Suppose you can multiply by 3 also. Okay. But you cannot divide it 3 by 3. You cannot. In that case, you have to understand. You have to remember the tables. Do you have any problem? You're saying somebody saying something to you. Are you confused? What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my mom is
11 by 11 ஆல divide பண்ண முடியுமான்னு கேளு. எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு கேளு.
Ma'am, she's saying can we divide this? So my doubt is 11 by 121. If we divide it by 11 by 11, is that possible?
Yes, you can suppose 11 by 121 can be divisible by 11 by 11. What I told you. You can divide the certain number that can divisible both the number. Either it's 11, either it's 1, either it's 3, 4, whatever number. Okay. Divisible means you have to cut both the numbers. 11 divided by 11 is 1. It's 11. This much you will get. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you have to multiply. You can multiply with any number. There is nothing. 3 by 3. Just look at it. Sorry. This is a sign of multiplication. Okay. 33, 3, 6, 3. Okay. You can multiply. But in this case, you cannot divisible by any number. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Still you have a problem?
Yes, ma'am. Certain numbers should be divided to get their equivalent fractions.
Yes.
Certain numbers should be multiplied. Now, how can we find that if we have to multiply or divide? Like if we take
in the question, it will written there. Equivalent the number by multiplying by multiplying method or divisible method. It's in the question, it was mentioned there. So don't worry about that. Okay. There's a two process of making equivalent. If somebody asks you equivalent this number by dividing method, equivalent this method by multiplying method, like that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.